Today, we're about to work on this '06 Max. About to do a wheel bearing on it. It's making a noise. You hear like a whine noise when you driving the car, like a wee, like annoying. You think it's a tire, but it's not the tire. It's the wheel bearing. I'm gonna show you how to check it and replace it. Let's get it, man. Let's check this one. Spin it. Just spin it. See how you don't hear anything? Barely. And now it's to the other side. Watch this. I don't know if you hear it. You spin it like this. Hear that? I don't know if you hear it, but I hear it. Spin. Hear that? Yeah, you hear that thing. So let's change that. Also, I forgot to tell you, if you wiggle the wheel up and down and it's loose, that's mean that bearing is very, very bad. So that's the other way you can find out is the wheel bearing. Let's take off this wheel. 21 socket. Tools you will need. You need this just in case. Need that just in case the rotor is stuck. Ratchet 17, 19 wrench, ratchet wrench, and you already know my fave, electric ratchet. Let's get it. Now, as soon as you take off your wheel, you gotta take off this rotor. This whole rotor gotta come out because you gotta change the whole hub and the bearing. So it's all attached, just like this. See that? So this rotor has to come out. So let's take off this caliper. 19 right here, 19 mil. I don't know if you see it. There you go. There's one there and there's one down there. So you take off the rotor. There's 4 bolts behind there. First I'll spray these first. There's like 4 of these bolts. I'll spray. I'll lube them up just in case, you know, you don't want them to strip. You want the rust to fuck it up. So let's lube it. Put some lube on there. Let it sit for, you know, a couple minutes. So we just come out smooth. Yeah, let it sit. So you let it sit. Let's take the 17. Deep 17, so you can reach in there. It's behind here, right here. You see those bolts? You see those? 2 down there and 2 up there. Yeah, those are 17s. Let's loosen those up. Okay, quick tip: if you can loosen these up with your hand, good for you. But I'm gonna hit it with a mallet, so it's easier, so I don't have to fuck up my hand. All right, so let's loosen these 4 bolts and take the hub out. Soon you loosen the four bolts. Just try to take this off. If you can't take it off with your hand, just hit it with you know, a hammer. Hit that shit, just bang on it. It should come out. Hold on. Shit, one job, fucking job, one job. That. Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Look at that shit. Piece of shit, yo. Yeah. Yeah, this does not feel good. So, supposed to be smooth. This shit feels like shit. Alright, stick the new one. Now, let's clean this up first. You see this shit? Take a wire brush or something, just, you know, brush it down. Just brush it. Clean this up a little. All this corrosion out of here. You know what I'm saying? If you want, you can put some anti-seize on there. So next time, another 100K miles. this come out easy instead of banging it out. Alright, clean this up. It gotta be, you know what I mean? It ain't have to be perfect, but be alright. Be acceptable. Watch for the sensors. ABS sensor, don't fuck with that. Didn't have to change that. Oh, you calling me? Get some brake clean or the spray in there. I'm gonna spray in there. Some brake clean. You could put anti-seed if you want. I'm gonna just put some brake clean on there. Spray some brake clean and put the new one on. Match the 4 bolts, 4, and slap the new one on. That new one, smooth. Don't feel shit, stiff. Smooth. No noise. Alright, let's put this on. Make sure when you put it on, you put this side faced up. You see how this is here, and this side don't have it. Make sure this is up when you put it in. Alrighty. Alright, slap the shit on. Should be looking like this. Bam. Fresh hub. Yeah. Make sure it's tight. Tight. You don't want this shit loose, man. Next thing you know, your wheel fall off. Let me stop. But yeah. Now let's put the rotor back, caliper back, put the wheels on, torque the wheels down, and take it for a test drive. Don't forget to test drive. See if you hear the noise. If you still hear the noise, you chose the wrong one. It's your fault. Okay. That was it. Make sure you test drive that car, man. I'm telling you. Make sure if you hear that noise, you know you did not pick the right side when you hear that noise. So you gotta do it all over again, test it. You could return that real bearing if you want, if they let you. I'm sure they would, but you know what I'm saying. If you're having trouble, comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I got more coming for you. Wait on it. Later.